Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste something on iPad mini 7th generation. So you have multiple ways of selecting a text, for instance, that you want to copy. You can tap anywhere on the empty screen in order to open additional options. So first you want to select the line that you are interested in, and after that, if you tap, then you will unfold additional options where you can also copy. You may also select a whole text. Then in that case, at the bottom on the keyboard you have these icons, and if you choose this icon over here, this middle one, then you will copy the text. And if you go below, then you have this icon on keyboard that allows you to paste something. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Now you can also just double tap. I think double tapping is the easiest way to actually select a text. You can select only just one phrase or one word. However, you also have these circles that you can use in order to select a bigger range. And then you have copy, and then if you tap somewhere twice, I think, or maybe even once, yeah, you can just tap once, then you have the option to paste. And once again, you have these shortcuts, these icons on keyboard as well, so you can use them too. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!